welcome back to my channel. I'm Deni, and today I have a new subscription. I signed up to Facetory and I am very excited for this right here because, as you guys all pretty much know, I do a Mask Mania Monday on Mondays where I use a different face mask and I test them out. I let you know how they work out, and you guys pretty much choose what I get to put on my face. And this right here is a subscription for face masks. Now they have two different subscriptions. They have one that is 4 masks and a larger one which is for 7 masks a month, and basically they come straight to your house. You do have to pay your shipping since it is coming from Korea. It has some shipping fees. I don't know the actual price of the subscriptions. I believe you can get 4 masks for like $5 plus the tax or the shipping and handling, and the one for 7 becomes like $15, and I think it's plus tax and things like that. I ended up getting a 6-month subscription and paid one solid price, and the shipping is waived on the one that I picked out. So let's go ahead and break into this bag. It comes in a bag, and I honestly thought it was going to come inside of a box. This is really cute. I like the packaging that it comes in. And I'm just going to pull everything out so that I'm not fussing through the bag. And the first thing that I see here is a card, and it says, "There's nothing more musical than a sunset." And then on the back it has some instructions on what to do. Before you do a face mask, you know that you have to cleanse and tone your face. Then you would apply the mask, wait the allotted time, and then, you know, remove it, pat or rub in the essence that is in the mask over your face, your neck, and then voila. Some masks require you to wash it off. Other masks you don't have to do anything but just walk away. So it tells you all those instructions on the card right here. And then I see yet another card which I believe tells you all of the masks that you get inside your bag or box. So let's start with this one, which is number 1. This is the Ho. I'm not really sure if I'm saying that correctly. And well, we have our first issue. This is a aloe and mud mask, which I don't know that I'll be able to use since I am very sensitive to aloe. This might be one that I would have to share with Carlos. It's a shame because it looks really pretty and it has like this rose detail on it, and I would just have to test it out before doing this mask. And it depends on the content of aloe that it has, but this has aloe vera leaf extract, sodium hydronate, and lemon extract. So this one right here is supposed to be a glowing mask. Then the next one that I have here is this one right here, the Ren Plants. And this is a mulberry collagen mask, which looks pretty cool. And this one, I would have to check all the ingredients, but I just want to go ahead and show you what we have. The third mask is Oske. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. This is a cream illuminating mask, and this is also a sheet mask. Let me make sure. Yeah, these are all sheet masks so far. Then the fourth one, which is the Bonnie Hill, which is a collagen wrinkle care mask, and this one is supposed to be blueberry. So I'm very excited for these masks. They're all masks that I have never tried before, and this also gives me the prices. This Nojo one, or I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, is $3 US. This Ren Plants one is $3.50 US dollars, and the cream mask is $4. The collagen one is $3 US. So when you add it all up, I am getting my money's worth when I am purchasing these masks like this. I'm very excited for them. Even though this one I can't use, I still am very happy that I got some masks. So this was my Facetory. Let me know if you get Facetory, if you were interested in this subscription, and I will definitely be using them on a Monday or a Thursday. Those are my masking days. So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Become a member of my Gonz fam, and as always, from my house to yours. Love ya.